Hello, it's me. I'm in the kitchen. I'm doing our morning routine.
Mommy.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You hold it.
No. Okay, so I'm getting breakfast ready. Say, I'm going to eat yogurt, and some eggs. I gotta maybe turned on the burner. So, me, I'm gonna have some eggs also with some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. So, yeah, let me get that stuff ready. I heard that shrimp likes vegetables. I mean, not without down here. You said all those. So I cut up a little cucumber. We have zucchini too, but I'm not cutting it. The cucumbers are nice and tiny. It was like the little tiny baby ones. So I cut that up and I'm gonna go and give it to the shrimp in a minute. Not right now. In a minute. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna have yogurt too.
We could have.
Huh?
We could have.
What you talking about?
Me too. No.
No, you better have eggs. Alright, see you in a second.
No.
When I'm getting there.
No, mommy. No.
Eggs.
No.
Man, watch out. Okay.
Ow.
Oh, I thought it was gonna have cereal, but no. It was gonna have yogurt, not cereal. Alrighty, see you in a second. I'll see you right there. No check. Okay, so I just cleaned the pan. It was dirty. That's all we're waiting to do. And I put the seasonings in their eggs. A little baby food. Okay, I'll be back once everything's done because too much is going on. What kitty? What kitty? What you want? You need some cat food. She's out of cat food, which is why she's meowing all crazy. But we don't have a car here, so can't go nowhere. Unless we walk around the corner and it snowed. So no one's walking. Alright, peace. And then you got her breakfast. You got your breakfast?
Breakfast.
You got your strawberries, eggs, and yogurt.
Mommy, not this one.
And here comes sis. What's the matter with you, little head?
Let's take a look at what we got. I have a watermelon.
Huh?
Watermelon. I got
Well, you don't have to eat. Your food is going to get cold then.
tuna.
Come in.
Oh, look, they're the color yellow, just like my shirt. Yellow.
Hey, Pudge.
I pass. Mommy, you need to hold it.
No.
These are apples. There are green apples.
You want your food or no?
These are green apples.
All right.
And we have 1, 2.
Here we go. I just need to get her a fork. She needs a fork. She needs a fork. Get the kitty some cat food, not cat food. Tuna, because she don't got enough of her food yet. And yeah, I need to get her food and water. She got water in there. I just put it in there. Now she needs some freaking food. And she's going crazy. Okay, back in the room. I just finished making my food. I got the cat freaking food. I didn't put her food. Yeah, somebody else can do Ralph. I'm tired. And I got my cappuccino and my eggs, cheesy eggs with mushrooms. Oh, looks delicious. I also have a yogurt. I'm gonna show you that when I'm actually about to eat it. So it's all red. But yeah, eat my breakfast. I'm gonna do my workout. I'm not touching his head, so don't even think this bonnet is about to come off. It's not. I'm gonna show you the plants because it's a lot of plants now. Another little update on these little fish tanks. Did I show you he got shrimp? Oh no, I may show you that he got shrimp. Let me hold on. Here's the plants. There's a lot of little plants coming in now. He all excited because he thought he was about to change it out. Till I'm looking, I'm like, no, they're growing. This one right here was the first one. And then I'm looking, I'm like, there's something growing. And he got all excited. And now it's all these. So yeah, they're going slowly. He's using his little spray bottle. Now, I put some cucumber in there because he said that the shrimps like vegetables. Little shrimpies. Look at them. That's right, but look like they're looking at me. What you want? Look at the shrimpies. There's a third one in there, but that one's usually cleaning the plant in the back. So yeah, I think the shrimp was like eating on that cucumber. I put 3 little pieces in there. Just I don't know how much to put in there, so I just put 3 little pieces. So yeah, now I'm going to be eating my food, and then I'm gonna work out. I gotta make their beds and stuff. I need to make my bed too. So I'll show that, and then it's gonna be another quick little morning routine because we don't really go anywhere, and it's snow outside, and we're not going out there. So I need to take my vitamins. I just looked and checked. I take these iron pills. Yes, it says prenatal on there. I got the wrong one. Hush. It's still iron pills. It's just prenatal health one, I guess. This helps more so with pregnancy. Or if you know. But I take it anyway, so yeah. I'm not pregnant. I'm just taking it. Iron pills. And then I take these vitamins, women multivitamins, just because I need vitamins. Okay? Yeah. And I also take these fenugreek pills. I take these with the iron, and then my gummies. The kids' stuff is up there. You can see it over there. You can't see it, but it's up there. And yeah, that's all vitamins. I need to take it right now. So yeah, got a text from the boyfriend. Oh, so you won't see the actual text message. But yeah, I'm going to eat my food, and I'll talk to you later. FaceTime vlog. People always see that. I'm doing a FaceTime vlog. FaceTime vlog is just them just talking to their phone like, or camera like as if it's their phone. Anyways, I'll see you in a minute. I'm done. I'm about to play a little game. I need to edit on another video that I have to post. Yeah, it's gonna take that long. I just gotta like edit it because iMovie for some reason don't, like, you can't speed it up as much as you want to. So I gotta edit on iMovie because I'm doing it on my phone, and then I gotta switch it over to another one, and then so I can speed up the clips of me working out, because I don't want you to just watch 20 minutes of me literally working out. So I want to speed it up, so I gotta do all that, and then I'm gonna post that today. Today is Wednesday, 17th. So this video, that video will be up on Wednesday, and I don't know, but this one, I don't know. But I'm clean. It's all clean. There are beds over there. I cleaned up all over there. That trash not supposed to be up there. I need to put a bag in there. Jackets, the kitchen area. I just cleaned that all up. Everything on the floor. The table, the vacuum's still here. Cleaned all that up. The floor clean. Bed clean. Let's clothes I'm about to put on. And the laundry all folded up where they're supposed to be. And I gotta put that dress away because it's Ava's birthday dress that they was playing with, wearing it, being princesses. Yeah, cleaned all this up. It's all clean, spotless. And then this new shelf we got, it's clean for the most part. Yeah, everything's where it's supposed to be, except for this cup and this movie. He's taking that movie. And then the clothes. This shelf was regular stuff because I needed space for more stuff. So yeah, and then clothes all the way down to the bottom, and then extra stuff, bags back there, and yeah, fishies. So everything's all clean and spotless, and I just wiped down everything. I need to fix those pictures, and then that's literally it. I guess that's going to be it for this video because it's pretty long. I was cleaning like all morning. It is now about to be 2 o'clock, and I've been cleaning since I've woken up at 11:10. So yeah, I'm ready to sit on down, put these clothes on, and relax. Because I need to get out of these pajamas. But I will see you in the next video. The kids really wasn't on this. Was they? Minna was. Was it Minna? I think Ava and Minna. Yeah, we knew to eat breakfast. They still downstairs watching TV. So, and running around doing what kids supposed to be doing. And then she's gonna be doing her little preschool stuff in a minute. But like, this is the morning routine, so I guess you're not seeing that. But she's been doing this. It's like a big old book to get her prepared for school. Yeah, she's been loving it, and she actually can probably go through this whole book right now and be done because she's so smart. So I need to get actually more books, like a little harder. Even though this is 3 to 5, she's 4, but she literally knows everything. So I just need to work on her with alphabet because I didn't do it correctly. She knows ABCD. She knows all the way to C. But if I point to it, she wouldn't know what. If I point to H, she wouldn't know. So she knows throughout. Listen, I'm going to be figuring it out. I'm working through with her, working it through, and we're going to figure this out before she goes to school this year. I was about to say next year, but it's this year. It's in 2024. So I'll see you in another video. Maybe a sit down talking video, because I'm going to do a video about me, myself, my situation, what's going on, because I've just realized I never really talked about myself and my situations. So I want to do a sit down talking video when I have time, without kids running in here literally every 10 minutes. So, yeah, whenever I have time, and maybe they're taking a nap, and I have just free time, I'll talk and do my sit down chit chat video. But for right now, see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, subscribe down below. It's free. It don't cost you nothing, honey. It's free. I need to get up to 100 subscribers, and then 200, and then keep going to 1,000 and to 1,000,000. Okay? Peace.